Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by AP Laser, leading the way. Clamp Tight, the clamp making tool. Steel Rubber Products, quality crafted rubber parts and weather stripping. And by NH Oil Undercoating, the official oil-based rust prevention system.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Here on Motorhead Garage, you've seen a lot of custom cars, but you haven't seen anything like this. A custom golf cart from Copeland's Custom Carts. Daniel, you're the guy behind all of this. Why are carts like this so popular?
It started off a couple years back during the pandemic. Everyone wanted something but really couldn't get out. So all of a sudden, guess what? Golf carts hit the scene, went crazy. Everyone just wanted a regular golf cart. But here at Copeland's Custom Carts, we like to turn regular stuff into crazy things.
And golf cart's kind of a misnomer because that's how these start, but you aren't designing these for the golf course.
No, I rarely ever design them for the golf course. Mostly they're for neighborhoods, campgrounds, recreational use. We got into golf cart a couple years back while we were camping and noticed that there was a golf cart parade and everyone wanted the baddest golf cart, so hey, let's start it.
Well, and if you're spending that much time in the neighborhood or in the campground, you want it to be comfortable.
Right.
And stereo is another thing that they want and all that stuff. So where does the customization begin? Do I bring one to you?
You can bring one to me or I provide the carts. We start from the ground up. We start with the frame, motor, and build it to your desire. So you get to pick the color, the seats, the audio. We turn your dreams into reality, really, so it's fun.
Cool, and you started in audio.
Yes.
Way back when, and now how important is audio to a cart like this?
It just sets it off. You can have a regular golf cart and cruise with a handheld speaker, or you can have something that's built into your golf cart and Bluetooth. What we do is customize the audio.
And let's talk about this particular system. It's from Kenwood, right?
It is.
Yeah, why do you like to go with the Kenwood?
They make many different options, but this is fully marine grade, so you can actually leave it outside. So if it does get wet, you don't have to worry about ruining the speakers. It's fully marine grade speakers, front and rear, makes it easy.
You talk about leaving these out in the weather, and the seats are something that jumps out at me. This looks like leather, this looks something I don't want to leave outside, but that's not the case.
No, this is all marine grade material, so it can get weathered and get wet as well.
How much of this work do you do yourself?
I do pretty much all of it myself. I do use a company for my fabric, and I do use a paint company as well, but everything else is mine.
If folks are looking at this, a couple things are wondering, how fast does it go?
Your basic golf cart will run around 10 to 12 mile an hour. We like to beef that up a little bit. So we can actually add a different motor and controller. Some of these carts are pushing 35, 40 mile an hour. This in particular runs around 22 to 25.
So going that fast, is it street legal?
It is street legal, yes. To be street legal, you need a few things. Turn signals, of course, brake lights, headlights, tail lights, mirrors, a horn, and a DOT-approved windshield. And then also you can get a tag for that, the LSV tag, which is low-speed vehicle.
Well, of course, all the parts have the manufacturer's warranty, and Copeland's Custom Carts guarantees their work for 6 months. You can't beat it. You got to have one of these carts if you live on your golf cart. Find them at copelandscustomcarts.com. If you head over to the dragonfiretools.com website, you're going to find myriad tool storage solutions that are going to meet your needs. And when you marry it all together in a system, it looks like this. We're going to look at one of the focal points here, Lou. This is one of your 7-foot workbenches. Tell me about the features that make this special.
This is our 7-foot 24-drawer Midnight Pro Series workbench. And as you can see, we have a lot of storage here. The top is a 304 14-gauge stainless steel top. We've got 16-gauge galvanized steel drawer bodies, 14-gauge stainless steel handles, and a fully welded tubular frame construction.
I mean, these things are tough as nails. How much weight do each of the drawers hold?
Our single rail drawers are rated for 200 pounds, and our double rail drawers, which are deep drawers here on the bottom, are rated for 400 pounds.
The thing I love about Dragonfire Tools workbenches, they're great here nested up in the corner, up against the wall. But if you need to move it to the work, how easy is it to get this out of here?
Because all 6 of the casters swivel, that allows you to be able to pull it out straight from the wall. A lot of tool storage solutions out there, the center casters don't swivel, and you kind of have to parallel park it in place.
Now let's talk about the system this fits into now. Something you come up with here are the corner units, which makes it possible to go along 2 walls. Tell me about those.
The corner units are new for this year, and the lower corner unit and the upper corner unit, as you can see, mate to our existing wall cabinets that we have, and it perfectly mates up to a workbench going down either wall.
And the upper cabinets offer a lot of flexibility. How do they match up with the workbenches you already have?
3 wall cabinets are the exact same length as a 7-foot workbench. and 4 wall cabinets are the exact same length as a 9'4" 1/4" workbench.
Well, whether you start with just one workbench to start your workshop or you want to make an entire system like this, go to dragonfiretools.com and you can find the solution that is great for you. And if you go there right now, you can find a discount code for Motorhead Garage viewers. Code Motorhead is going to get you a discount and free shipping. That's going to do it for this episode of Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. We'll see you next week when we do it again. So long.